Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up a VPN on Oppo Reno 12F. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and then click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and then click allow. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Germany. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.